Hi, welcome to Elementary Music with Donna. I am Donna Rhodenizer. I've written a song called The Giraffe, and I'm going to sing it for you so you can hear what I think about giraffes. A long tall neck and four long legs and a spotty dotty body in between. He has great fun chewing leaves like gum in his daily giraffe routine. You never hear him say on a warm and sunny day that he'd rather be somewhere else. You never hear a sound or a snort or a laugh. He is short on complaining, the tall giraffe. He eats the leaves at the tops of trees, and he chooses what to chew with care. He's really out of luck if his tongue gets stuck when he's having a snack up there. You never hear him say on a warm and sunny day that he'd rather eat something else. You never hear a sound or a snort or a laugh. He is short on complaining, the tall giraffe. I had great fun composing this song and playing with some word combinations. That spotty dotty body in between, and he chooses what to chew with care, which has some almost tongue twistery elements to it. There is also the contrast between the legato phrases and those short words like short and snort and laugh that cause you to need to sing expressively with clear diction and create some musical contrasts. However, this song is gentle, simple, and lovely. Sometimes we just need a song that's simple and gentle and lovely and doesn't have a lot of heavy musical elements to extract or to teach a concept, just for the joy of singing. And I think the giraffe really fits that bill well. You can use the giraffe in classrooms in your elementary school with grades 2 to 3, probably that age range, and vocal studio singers and small group classes ages 9 and under. The giraffe works well at the beginning of the year before you've had a lot of time to work on skill development. Because it's so simple, it also works well at the end of the year for the same reason, in that your students might be running out of a little bit of steam and energy, and you just need something simple and lovely for them to sing and not be overtaxing, and the giraffe will be there for you and for them. When you are singing the song and you are looking for musical elements, of course you can extract some score study things by looking at the rhythms that are used, which are going to be really simple, lots of quarter notes and half notes. You can talk about ascending and descending stepwise motion in the phrases. And again, you can talk about those smooth legato phrases and those phrases that have staccato notes in them that you are going to emphasize to create an expressive musical performance. When you are singing the Giraffe, you will find the music for that at donnaandy.com. You will have a vocal score, a printed lyrics sheet, a piano accompaniment score for you. There are also 2 options, so you can have a he giraffe or a she giraffe. Your vocal soloists will have a good time making their own decisions on that. If you have a class of students, either in an elementary school or a group class, you will have to maybe have a democratic process and vote what they want for either a he giraffe or a she giraffe. However, you can always sing it twice. You might have to do that. Whatever your students decide, it's supported by the printed materials that are provided in this download. There are also 2 tracks that you can download, which have one with the melody guide played and one just the instrumental piano accompaniment track. I hope you enjoy singing the Giraffe with your students as much as I enjoyed writing my song, The Giraffe. And wherever you are, I hope you are having a great day making music, and make music a great part of your day.